Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. My name is Biswajit Baur. Welcome my channel. Today my topic of baseline removal of hyperspectral data NV ENVI classic software. So let's start. At first, remember that episode my video episode 2 hyperspectral data badband removal or research data. So next step or process is the baseline removal of the hyperspectral data processing. So baseline removal is the two types. Manual removal is the few baseline of the image to use or apply for manually removal techniques or next types of third day stripping. Use of third day stripping. So very much bad line to use of third day stripping. So at first open the marks band removal or marks band. So open is the marks band of data 40 and 30 and 20. New display and roll RGB. There is the marks band or band removal image. Open here. There is the how many the bad line present here. To remove this line, there is the called bad line removal for hyperspectral data. So let's start at first manual removal for this hyperspectral data bad line. So let's start tools to spatial pixel editor. There is the row and column number, so various row and column. This is the bad line. There is the zero value. This value is the average for particular line. This is the remove for line. So at first right click and option and replace selected cell is the mean or replace selected column the average. There is a calculate automatically the average value of this portion. This is the called manually removal. This process apply for few bad line or hyperspectral data. Here this image is the very much of the bad line. So use of third day stripping. So next process is the third day stripping of hyperspectral data. So there is the value of zero value. This is the average of the particular nearest pixel. Here is the vegetation. This is the water body. This is the shortest path distance and average value. Option and replace selected the column with average. There is the particularly average for this image and file and save changes file. Yes. This complete this the manually removal bad line. So this process should apply few bad line of hyperspectral data. Not only all bad line removal process is the remove. So their next video or next is the third day stripping of the hyperspectral data. Use this image and open the NV 5.4 NV software. There is the downward of third day stripping. Open the NVI 5.4 software and there is the third day stepping. Open ENVI file. Open the third day stepping. There is the badband of hyperspectral data. Open there is the hyperspectral data open and this is the data manager and there is the 40, 30 and 20. Load in new view. There is the hyperspectral data and there is the various of vertical vertical bad line here. Restart, there is the remove and next step is the toolbox. Here search for third day stepping THOR third day stepping. The input file of third day stepping bad line removal image in the input here and the okay. There is the third day stepping processing of the parameters. Correct for the spring of the in. There is the vertical, not a horizontal. So choose is the sample with the vertical lines. So there is the output file name of third day stepping. Third day stepping output file name and okay. There is the run of third spectral day stepping data. So complete this run and open third day stepping image. Open and file. Open Thor image file. There is the open third day stepping image. So let's start to load in new view. So the 40, 30 and 20. Load and new view data, click and load data. So there is the third day stepping of hyperspectral data. Third day stepping of hyperspectral data. There is the hyperspectral day stepping. Third day stepping data. So complete this bad line removal of hyperspectral data. At first the manual removal and next is the third day stepping. Complete this third day stepping of video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and latest update hyperspectra related work and remote sensing and GIS related very descriptive work done here. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.